What's up, guys? In this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to run scripts in Roblox using the Delta Executor. The best part about this method is that it requires no keys or advanced setup. As you can see on my iPhone, it's already working, and I've got access to powerful scripts, like auto-farming or egg spawners in Grow a Garden. This tool works seamlessly across both iOS and Android devices, making it incredibly user-friendly. If you follow along with me through every step of this video, you'll be able to run your own scripts by the end. So, if you're ready to level up your Roblox experience, let's get started. Quick heads up before we jump in. If you're on an iPhone, there's two quick settings you gotta tweak first. Android users can skip past this part. Open your settings, hit General, and make sure background app refresh is turned on for Wi-Fi, or both Wi-Fi and cellular. It just keeps the app from getting stuck when you switch away. Then go into battery and turn off low power mode. It throttles performance, and we definitely don't want that dragging things down. Alright, once that's set, grab your browser and head over to delta-install.com. You can search for it on Google or type it directly into your browser. That's where you'll find the Delta Executor. You'll see a quick overview of what Delta does and the download button. Make sure you pick the right version for your device, iOS or Android. Depending on how fast your connection is, it might take a sec to pull down, but once it finishes, you'll get a confirmation message telling you to check your home screen. If this is your first time using the site, don't worry. All you need to do is finish two quick sponsor tasks. These are 100% free, require zero payments, and there's absolutely nothing shady or sketchy about them. The process is pretty dead simple. You'll typically just download a free app and open it, jump into a lightweight game to hit a quick milestone, or test out a small tool for a few minutes. Knocking out both usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes total, but it's 100% worth it. This is exactly what verifies your device and actually unlocks Delta Executor, so it functions properly. Once you're done, head back to the site, or just check your home screen, and your device will automatically trigger the Delta Executor installation. Within seconds, it'll properly set up and be ready to launch. No extra steps, no waiting around. Finish those two tasks, give it a moment to sync, and that's literally it. If this saved you some time or headache, drop a like, leave a comment letting me know if it worked for you, and subscribe. I'm posting more guides like this all the time. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.